what part of your journey were you on the course at this stage, or is this the mastermind that you thought about doing this? When did all of this come together? Why did you start doing it? And sort of explain it.
Well, because as I said, I like Progressive, so I've done quite a lot of training courses with them, and one of them is actually a podcasting course.
So what made you get into property? Like you say, you're a budding artist. You have been involved in that for quite a while. What was the jump, and what made you go down this route of short stay accommodation?
Okay, so really, in terms of, well, property, it isn't property at all, is it? Service accommodation, it's hospitality, which is what you're in. But we did property training together. As I say, just a couple of years or so ago, we started. Pete had done some property training before that.
You've done a lot of training. Which one did you go with, and why did you choose to go with that company?
With Progressive Property, we did basic kind of masterclass, which was all about buy-to-lets and just an intro into property, because we have our own residential property and have done for ages, but just the whole business of being in property we learned initially with them. To be accountable was a good thing, because we did like a 3-day training, and then we did a mastermind for 6 months, which was good. Finally, we met some developers who were freeholders who've been going for quite a long time in our area, and they are the guys we're still working with, and they're brilliant.
Did you do a lot of research into Rob and Mark before you went with Progressive, or was it a recommendation? I mean, how did you come to choosing them to be the ones?
Probably lots of people watching, listening, have read Rich Dad Poor Dad, which we read a long time ago.